Oncor's been focused on modernizing our electric grid and making it more resilient by installing smart automated devices. These devices are going to help shorten the outage times and decrease the number of customers affected by these outages. Oncor's deployed thousands of these smart devices in order to modernize our system. One of the devices that Oncor has deployed is called an interrupter. These devices are actually connected together and talk to each other in order to best reroute the power in order to decrease the number of customers affected by the outage. We're also deploying thousands of reclosers. These devices keep an eye out for an outage event since most problems are temporary in nature, like a tree branch falling on a line. These devices will then try to restore power after a few seconds. We're deploying electronic fuses across our system, and we have over 10,000 of these devices in service today. These devices replace the old manual fuses that had to be reset by a human. We plan to invest significantly in more of these smart devices to continue to decrease the outage duration that our customers witness. Each of our devices are connected to a fairly robust communications network. Since all of these devices are connected together, that allows our control centers here to remotely monitor and control them, and that's really the beating heart of our restoration efforts. Now that we can remotely monitor and track them, we're able to see when a problem comes up the second that it happens. We can really leverage the data that we can collect from these smart devices by handing it off to our engineers, and we're able to rapidly troubleshoot issues or even predict damage before it happens. So right now, about 70% of our system is equipped with these smart devices, and the hope and plan is that 90% or more is equipped with these devices in the near future.